Hey, and welcome back. Today we're going to cover Kommo CRM Google Sheets integration that you can easily use to connect your forms and sheets directly to your Kommo CRM sales pipeline. It will help you to increase the speed of processing the incoming requests and will make sure that you'll never lose track of any incoming business opportunities. We will take a look at 2 examples that will show you how to use these integrations properly. Let's begin. Let's say we have a design company and decide to do some cold outreach, so we hire a contact center to make cold calls and get some lead generation going. The process is like this. After the conversation with the lead, the operators write down the potential customer's data in a Google spreadsheet, since, for security reasons, they don't have access to the CRM. The task here is to make sure all this juicy lead data ends up in our sales pipeline. We need to connect this spreadsheet to Kommo CRM. Let's see how to do that. Installing the integration is simple and takes just a few clicks. In the pipeline, go to Setup. Click Add Source. Select Google Sheets, then click on Install, and then click Sign In. After you sign in, authorize the Google account which you want to connect to. You will be able to select the spreadsheet you want to link to the pipeline. Click Select Spreadsheet, and just like that, all the documents and folders on our Google Drive have been uploaded. If you've got a lot of spreadsheets and it's difficult to find the right one, you can use the search tool. Now, we need to decide what data from the spreadsheet we're going to import into the CRM. Be careful not to pack your pipeline with all the data you have, so choose wisely. So, we can select the field, in this case column, that we don't want to import. Create a new field. Or select an existing field from the lead, contact, or company entities. Each entity has its own set of default fields. What we need to do here is to match the sheet columns with lead card fields and choose the stage where new leads will be created. After that, Kommo CRM will automatically grab the data every time there is a new entry in the spreadsheet and create a lead. Note that this is quite important. Matching the right fields in the right entities is key. Make sure that you get contact data into contact cards, lead data into lead cards, and so on. You'll save yourself a lot of headaches if you do it right just this once. Let's do it together and compare the fields. Lead title remains the same. Contact name, full name. Phone, mobile phone, phone, work phone. Email, work email. Company name, name of the organization. We can also label all the requests in the spreadsheet with tags. I'll add the contact center tag so that the sales team can understand where the lead has originated. Next, select the pipeline and the stage where the applications will go. Initial contact stage in our case. And save. Done. Now Google Sheets are connected and will be updated automatically live. But what is fun if there are no rules, right? You must know that each spreadsheet that you connect will show up as a separate lead source. The good news, though, is that you can add any number of spreadsheets. It's also important to mention that for the integration to work properly, you have to follow some basic rules. Do not delete columns, do not edit the column names, and don't skip lines in the document. Now, there's another way we can mess this up. Changing the structure of the columns after the sheet has been integrated with the pipeline can lead to unsuccessful data import. If you make some changes to the structure of the sheet, make sure to remove it from the pipeline and then reconnect it back. If you suddenly need to edit a spreadsheet, simply temporarily disconnect it from the CRM, make the changes and reconnect it. So let's add a lead to our spreadsheet and see how this works in action. Voila! A new request has appeared in Kommo CRM. Let's open it. This is what the request looks like. By default, the lead title is the lead source. In our case, it's Google Spreadsheets. The lead has been imported to the incoming lead stage in accordance with the settings we've already provided. And we can also see the data that has been imported from the spreadsheet, such as the lead's contact name, phone number, and email. Now, it would be convenient for our salespeople to work with the request since we have all the lead data right here in the CRM. Let's appoint the responsible user and assign a task to them for today. Add a comment, contact the lead. Done. Now all the leads from Google Sheets will be automatically transferred to the CRM. You can send the incoming requests with a single click and avoid wasting time. Do note, however, the integration will only start transferring data submitted after Google Sheets have been integrated with Kommo CRM. Whatever data is already in your spreadsheet will not be created as lead data in Kommo CRM. You'll have to do it manually via export and import. Also note that the system considers an empty row as the end of a sheet, so if there is an empty row below your data, it will not be imported to Kommo CRM. Now, let's take a look at one more case. To increase the lead flow, we've decided to collect the incoming requests via a Google form and transform them to Kommo CRM. It's a fun way to generate leads, and we can learn how to automate this process together. You are actually able to create different forms, for example, a brief, callback request, promotion, subscription, or a feedback form. All the data will automatically be saved in Google Sheets. Kommo CRM at the same time will automatically create leads, fill in the data, and mark them with the necessary tags. Simply put, it's just one of the lead generation channels that will be connected to the spreadsheet that is, in turn, connected to Kommo CRM. Let's see how to set it up. First of all, we should create a new Google form. Specify the title, and then the description. Move to the questions list. Question number 1 will be the name. Answer type, short answer. Let's make it a required question. Question number 2, phone number, also required. Question 3, email, because why not? Question 4, required services. Choose multiple choice answer. Specify the options, web design, web marketing, website development. And the last question for us here will be a comment instead. Choose paragraph answer type. Our questionnaire is ready. Let's copy the short link and place it on our Facebook page. Next, we need to connect the form to a spreadsheet in order for it to transfer data. For that, we move to the Responses tab. Click on Create Spreadsheet and then create a new spreadsheet. This is how the spreadsheet looks. It already includes the questions from our form, so we don't have to type them in manually. Now, whenever someone fills out the form, the data is included on this spreadsheet, automatically, just like that. Now, to automate the process even more, let's configure automatic data transfer from the spreadsheet to Kommo CRM. Basically the same thing we did before. For that, we're going back to Kommo CRM Lead Sources. Click on Google Spreadsheets and choose our table. Here it is. Let's set the fields the way we did before. Name, full name. Phone, mobile phone. Email, personal email. And we'll also create new fields such as required services, new custom field, entity, lead, type, multi-select. And comment, entity, lead, type, short text, done. Choose the pipeline stage, incoming leads. It makes sense since no one has contacted the client yet and it's not clear if it's a target audience request or not. Maybe we'll have to do it all over again. Experimentation is where it's at, after all. Done. Save it. The widget will do the rest automatically. As soon as the applications from Google Forms get into Sheets, there will be an instant synchronization with Kommo CRM, as a result of which the applications will be displayed in the incoming lead stage or another stage of the pipeline, depending on how you set it up after your own sales process. With the automatic update enabled, you will be able to see new requests from your potential customers in real time, accept or reject them, and instantly respond to your leads in different sources, increasing the sales conversion. And that's it. You've learned how to connect Google Sheets to Kommo CRM, how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets, and how it all works together quite nicely. Be sure to take advantage of this amazing real-time integration, since this is something you can really get creative with, and that's all that matters. Getting the leads in and making your customers happy. Enjoy and good luck. We'll see you around soon in the next video.